Okay guys, now I am going to solve the Leetcode number question number 1 is 2 sum. So the given input is 2, 7, 11, 15, target is 9. So 2 plus 1 is equals to 9. So we have to return the indexes of the 2 and the 7 elements. So I am going to use map data structure for writing this code. Integer comma integer m is equals to new hash map. So what I am going to do is for integer is less than a dot length I plus plus. So I am going to subtract the given target with the given input. If it so 9 minus 2 is 7. If it contains in the values nums, then I am going to return the indices, or if it does not contains, then I will just add the value of a of I. Let's see what if map dot contains key of target minus a of I, then I am going to return new int of I'm going to return the indexes, right? So I am going to return is m dot get of t minus a of I, the index, and the value I. So if it doesn't present, then I am going to put the value in the map a of I comma I, and if the target value doesn't exist, so I am going to return just an empty array. Okay, let's see what. Okay, now the test cases has been successfully accepted. Now I am going to submit the code. So that's it.